What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. I said I'm back again with another video. Today, I just wanted to talk about me replacing my zfold3. So yes, I had to currently get a zfold3 replacement. If you were following me on Twitter, you will know that I had to get my original zfold3 replaced. And this is my zfold3 replacement right here. Saturday, I believe it was, on the inner display, there was some dead or stuck pixels. I don't currently have a picture of the old zfold3 at the moment because it's being sent off. It's being sent back to at&t. But anyways, I did currently have some dead pixels or stuck pixels in 3 different areas. So they were little colorful dots, 3 different areas on my display, and they would not go away at all. So I was like, yeah, I need to call at&t and see if I had insurance, which I did. So I called at&t. I went through their process of filing a claim through a Suron, because that's who at&t uses. I did have to pay a deductible of $299, but the thing about that is I didn't have to pay it right up front. They'll bill it to my bill, my next bill. It'll be added onto my bill. Was I happy about that? Not really. But did I go on and do it? Yes, because I didn't want anything else to happen to that device. I didn't want it to get worse. I didn't want it to just stop working. Some people may be like, yeah, how did this happen? That I'm really not sure of. I don't know if something was sitting on the inner display of my zfold3 or pressing down on it too hard, but I just know that occurred in those 3 little areas, and I was like, yes, this can't be right, because I hear bad stories about phones messing up and bleeding out and stuff like that. So I was like, I need to get this taken care of. So like I said, I went through filing the claim. This happened Saturday? No, yeah, Saturday this happened. I filed the claim Monday in the morning online. I was able to get my replacement zfold3 on Monday, because when I filed for the claim on Monday morning while I was at work, when I went through all the steps, it said they had a zfold3 ready for me. So pretty much I picked the window. The window time was in between 3 p.m. and 5 p.m., which was perfect for me because I get off of work around 2:15. So I was able to receive my replacement. I was at home, So a Suron guy came out and delivered me my device. One thing I was worried about was I didn't know if I was going to get a brand new device or if I was going to get a refurbished device. But thank goodness when they brought the device to me, when he brought it to me, I had gotten a brand new zfold3, brand new. So it still has the screen protector on there, on the inside and on the outside. And this time I'm going to leave this inner screen protector on there, in the first place, anyway, because that could have caused those problems, those problems happened because I probably pretty much should have never took the screen protector off in the first place, because it tells you not to. And if you do take it off, that's on you. But if you take it off and put another one on there, you're okay. But I was using my first zfold3 without a screen protector on it because I liked how it felt. But now I am happy and I feel more confident about the situation because I actually have the original screen protector on there, and this was a brand new device. So it's like me starting over fresh, because there was some things on my zfold3 that I didn't even really like anyway, because it was getting kind of beat up, a little nicks. There were little nicks in the inside of the inner display. There was a few little scratches up in the crease area that I didn't know how they occurred there either, but you know, it is what it is. Yes, unfortunately, I did have to do a deductible of $299, but on the good note, I have a brand new Z Fold 3, you know, so I could start off fresh, and I'm going to try to keep this Z Fold 3 in tip-top shape, so when the Z Fold 5 comes out, I'll be able to trade this device in through at&t and get the Z Fold 5, because at&t is my current network. My Z Fold 3 is on an installment plan. You know, I wasn't able to buy this from Samsung, you know, and have it unlocked. Even though I do like having unlocked devices at the moment, I wasn't able to do that. I like the deal that they had with at&t, where I traded in a phone and I got $1,000 off on that, plus the billing credits. So I just wanted to bring this video to your attention. Yes, I had to do Z Fold 3 replacement, but and let me tell you this, because some people are like, yeah, and that's why I don't want to get a folding phone, because I'm scared and the problems, and you're going to have to pay a lot of money to get that fixed, and so on and so on. But I can guarantee you this. My phone was in tip-top shape for years. You know, I had that Z Fold 3 ever since it came out, and it had just got messed up in 2023. So, you know, it's durable. You know, some people are like, folding phones are not that durable and da 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 da. It was durable. You know, the problems I had with it just recently is because I removed the screen protector early, you know, and I was wearing on the inner display with my regular hands and maybe a fingertip. You're not supposed to dig into the device or anything like that. But it was very durable, because here it is 2023, and it just, you know, had those that display issue, you know. It had a display issue. And then, to be honest, that may have not been anything that I'd done to it. It could have already had a screen defect and I didn't know it, and it just, you know, showed up then and there. So I just wanted to bring this video to your attention. Yes, I did have to replace my Z Fold 3, but yes, I still do recommend you pick up a folding device. They are durable. It's just what you're doing with it. You know, I don't really baby this phone that much. I didn't baby my Z Fold 3 when I had it. I wasn't just out there dropping it and slamming it on tables and stuff, but I kept a case on it, and I, you know, used it like it was a regular device, because that's what it is, you know. And as years and time go on, these folding devices are going to get even better and even better. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. And in the comment section below, let me know how you feel about having a folding device and having to get it replaced, you know, through your insurance or just paying straight out. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.